Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This HideMyAss VPN review reflects my personal experience using the product. HideMyAss VPN review, a comprehensive look at performance and usability. In this in-depth review of HideMyAss HMA a VPN, we'll explore its performance, features, and overall user experience. HMA is a widely recognized VPN service catering to a diverse user base. Whether your goal is online privacy while browsing, accessing geo-restricted content, or securing your connection on public Wi-Fi networks, HMA offers a practical solution. A key strength of HMA lies in its extensive server network, boasting over 1,000 servers distributed across more than 190 countries. This broad reach makes it a compelling option for users seeking global content access, whether for streaming services, online gaming, or circumventing censorship. On the security front, HMA utilizes AES 256-bit encryption, the industry standard for data protection. Furthermore, it adheres to a strict no-logs policy, ensuring your online activities are neither tracked nor stored. HMA supports a variety of VPN protocols, including OpenVPN, L2TP IPsec, and IKEv2, allowing you to select the protocol that best suits your speed and security requirements. The user interface is designed for simplicity and ease of navigation, making it accessible even for beginners. HMA is compatible with all major operating systems, Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, and the installation process is straightforward. The mobile app is particularly convenient for users on the go, providing full functionality on smaller devices. Performance-wise, HMA generally delivers reliable speeds, though performance can fluctuate based on server location. For typical online activities like browsing, streaming, and downloading, you can expect smooth and fast connections. However, speeds may be slightly reduced for bandwidth-intensive tasks such as large file transfers, depending on the chosen server. HMA offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, providing reassurance in case you are not completely satisfied with the service. In conclusion, HideMyAss VPN is a robust choice for privacy-conscious individuals seeking a versatile VPN solution for global access and online security.